Hello everyone, welcome back to the Fruitymasterz channel. Today it's Easter, so let's have an Easter special. Alright, so recently I've been diving around a little bit on my channel, in my older videos, and basically my most popular videos right now, and all of them are really old videos, like 5 years ago, 6 years ago, and that actually really sucks. Let's just watch. So this is from 5 years ago, where I do an all in FL Studio tutorial thing or whatever, where I create a hardstyle type of sound with 3x OSC. And this is how it sounds. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our end result. This is all FL Studio stock. And basically every synth is 3x OSC. So, will this sound good? Will this sound bad? You will never know if you click away the video right now. Let's click away the video right now. Just kidding. So here it comes. So this doesn't really sound that bad from how I remember it, but it's still 5 years old. So then I was like, let's try it again. This is Headhunter's Final Day with How Far Can You Go, I think. I tried a little remake. Yeah, and here's the fun part. This is all, again, in 3x OSC. And for the processing, I only used stock stuff. As you can see right here. Sound goodizer. Parametric EQ, some pretty crazy EQs actually. If I go to the leads. Yeah, and this one is on the chords. But yeah, let's have a look into the layers. And by the way, this, because it's Easter, yeah, let's make it a free download. I mean, basically everyone can open this, and I'm even using an older version of FL Studio. Yeah, so have fun. I will cut the melody in half or something, because it's a recreation of a song I didn't make. Yeah, and it doesn't feel right to share that MIDI files. So I'm cutting it half, but it's a template. Now, let's go. Actually, let's start with the sample right there. I wanted to use some samples from Essentials too. Yeah, that's not an FL Studio, so I made some. Yeah, basic crash. And right here, this is an impact. Check this out. This is without effects. And this is with. Yeah, let's go to the leads. So I made this little lead thing here, but let's go one by one. Disable the reverb and delay bus. And it might actually have been because a recent comment in my comment section that said, hey, the new 3x OSC has this HQ thing. It sounds way better now. Yeah, in some cases it really helped me. It really motivated me to do this. Now, here's the second lead. And this is where it becomes some kind of super saw. But yeah, that's a limitation when I go to polyphony, when I want to make it legato. Yeah, the echo thing doesn't work anymore. I mean, here, check. So, yeah, screw it. And on there is a compressor and an EQ. Yeah, it's nothing fancy. This is the third one. And this is how they sound together. Yeah, and if you just use this one, it's actually not a bad lead. And now let's go into the chords. There's just one chord layer. The chords might not even match the original, but who cares? I think this sound is pretty impressive, really, for 3x OSC. Yeah, you can copy the settings, but why would you? It's a free download. If you go to the download link right now, just type in 0. You won't have to fill in much or anything. Yeah, it's free. So, now let's go here. This is the bass. There's all kinds of stuff happening there. Oh yeah, there's also distortion. That's dry, and this is width. And then we have a second layer. And together they sound like this. And I'm sure I can do this way better, but this is a really nice improvement over those 5 years, I think. Then in the mixing, there's all kinds of stuff happening, a little bit of compression. Then here, fruity reverb, which is pretty well done, I think. Let's just hear the reverb. All kinds of shit happening here. It's a really nice reverb, and yeah. And then we have a delay. So maybe that panning might be, yeah, I could use a bit more. Yeah, way better. And then we have a melody bus, so everything in here. So those leads go to a lead bus, where you can tweak the leads a bit more without doing it individually. And then we have the chords right here. Basses goes to a bass bus. And then everything, including the sidechain buses, go to this melody bus. So if we disable this, you won't hear much. And from here I did some, well, basically replacing some OTT type of effect with an EQ and a gain reduction, compressor, yeah. And now let's check it out once again. Really like, I'm pretty excited about this, for all of this just being in FL Studio itself from 3x OSC. Alright everyone, happy Easter, have fun with this project. I'll make sure to post a video early on the day. So if you don't have much to do or you just want to mess around in FL Studio, you can, well, have fun right away. Yeah, so this part might be a bit complicated, but it makes sense really. And I've used those colors. I'm really into colors and labels these days. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This Thursday there will be another How to Make Hardstyle, and we will most likely start working on our main kick. Yeah, goodbye.